The main difference between the transport chair, just to kind of summarize, is that the transport chair is a lightweight version and more compact version of the wheelchair, of your standard wheelchair, outside of the featherweight wheelchair like the Strongback. Of course, there are all-terrain options that you can get where the transport chair or wheelchair can be used. That's kind of more geared for outside use, so that way there's no limitations in that fact. Another thing too is that some transport chairs and wheelchairs have desk arms and full length arms. So as you see here in the pictures, you see that. I actually, can you go back to that slide number 9? Yeah, slide number 9. So here, and you see in this picture, you see that the person is able to transition in and out of the chair sideways versus like kind of like stepping out and stepping into the chair. So this is a very good feature because with the desk arm, so that's another term you guys will probably hear a lot of when you're looking for wheelchairs or transport chairs, is that there are two different types of arm types. So you have the full length arm, which is just your full armrest. But the only drawback is that a lot of times the armrests are pretty high, so a person really can't eat at the table. They can't work at the table, so they kind of have that limitation. But with the desk arms, a lot of times these arms are designed where you can, actually eat at the table, work at the table, things of that nature. And also they do have flip back arms, so that way a person can, if they're just sitting in the chair and they just want more space, they can flip the arms backwards, as we see here in this picture. And of course, for transitioning in and out of the car,